Well, good morning. Francis here again with the Texas Roadrunner channel. If you remember about, I think 3 or 4 videos ago, I won like a giveaway from Kirk, north of 51, from up there in Canada, right? And what I won was actually a wine holder. You know, it looks like a fish here. And he gave me a lot of other neat stuff, so I'll put that link down in the description below. So, he also gave me 3 other unfinished wine bottle holders. And so, it's time to finish these up. You know, I thought I could get the youngins during the Christmas time to work on this, but all I could get out of them was making cookies and stuff like that. So anyway, meet me in the garage. Okay, I'm back in the garage. It's really bad outside, a lot of cloud cover, a little bit rain, so I put in some extra lighting. Hopefully you can see this. But as you can see, this first one here is sort of a pastel navy blue. I thought, well, what am I going to paint these other ones? I kind of thought about my college career, and so my last degree I earned was from University of Texas, and they're sort of a burnt orange in color. And if you remember, I did that creepy Halloween candy jug. This is what I use, and this is the closest I can find to a burnt orange, so hopefully that'll work out. My degree before that was at University of Houston at Clear Lake, and they have 2 colors. One is a green and one is a blue, kind of, you know, put together. So I'm gonna go ahead, and the green's sort of like a 100 green. So I found this 100 green, as you saw, and pre-intro. And then I got my first degree at Texas A&M, and they are maroon in color. The closest I could find in maroon was gloss Moreau, you know, like the wine. So this is pretty close to a maroon in color. But before we can use these paints, I'm going to go ahead and use a white primer, and we'll get started from there. Oh, by the way, I got a table set up here with wax paper. Hopefully the paint won't stick. Okay, we'll let the side one of these wine bottle holders dry, and we'll come back and do the other side. Okay, the first side of the wine bottle holders has been primed, so we'll do the other side and prime it also. Okay, we'll let side 2 dry, and then next we'll start putting on my school colors. So we're finished with painting with the white primer, and this white primer is also sandable. So I have some 220 grit sandpaper. I'll just try to smooth things out a little bit before we put on our school colors. Now, of course, we'll paint the other side. Okay, we're back. Our fish are finally dry here, so we're going to go ahead and paint some, I guess, little lines to make the fins and try to do some little, you know, scales. Yeah, scales. All right, so here we go. Well, it looks like everything's dry, so I'm just going to do this clear coat here just to make sure, or to protect the paint basically. So we'll let this side dry, and we'll do the other side a little later. Now, as you can see, Kirk, north of 51, is artistic enough to paint a little eye here. Well, I'm not all that artistic, as you can see here. I'm kind of like Asian art or Oriental art. It's not realistic, but it's like, you get the picture, right? So, because I'm not such an artist, I went ahead, as you saw earlier, and I got these googly eyes from Hobby Lobby. So all I'm going to do is put a little dot of glue here, little dot of glue here, little dot of glue here, put a Google eye here, put a Google eye here, and a Google eye here. And we'll wait for those to dry before the next step. Okay, here's the finished project. Of course, this first one here, the navy blue one, is the one that Kirk made. And here's the burnt orange one, and the maroon one for Texas A&M, and the green wine holder, fish wine holder for U of H. And that is the completed project. All these wine bottles are empty because, well, my sisters were here during the holidays. Okay, I'll do a recap. Okay, I'm back again, and thanks again for joining me on finishing up this little project of making these wine bottle holders out of fish. Well, sort of, right? Well, anyway, again, thanks to Kirk, north of 51, all the way from Canada. And until next time, guys, take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.